In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access, Safety and Emergency under Security. Then click on Emergency Contacts and finally Add Contact. Now it's time to click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete one, hit this X icon next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!